Welcome back to more HARBRO freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and we have some more back-to-back deals, dollar days now through July 2nd. Dollar days are back at Harbor Freight. They never go away. When was the last time they were gone? Now they do come out with new ones, and we'll just jump right into it. After, if you find this useful, please consider liking and subscribing. Turn on the notification bell to get these deals as soon as possible. Now these dollar days, super coupons, ITC come out regular. But there are the flash sales that are less than a day notice that sometimes are huge discounts. Anyways, please consider it. And here we go, dollar days now through 7/2. Starting off with the Pittsburgh 1-inch steel spring clamp for $1. 22% off, saving 30 cents. HFT funnel set 4-piece, 44% off, save 80 cents. It's $1. You get 4 funnels from large to small. Next, the classic super glue 3-pack for $1, save 32%, 49 cents off. We have the Greenwood 5/8 inch to 3/4 inch hose mender. Your choice of either female or male. It's 49% off, was $2 essentially, but now $1 as well. We have the 1 5/8 Hallmaster solid rubber swivel caster for the mini toolboxes. They're $1, 49% off, normally $2. And we have the Gordon utility blades with dispenser 10-pack at $1, 49% off. Decent start to the dollar days. Next, everyone, this is a Harbor Freight fan favorite. The Storehouse 11-inch cable ties, 100-pack, your choice of color. Zip tie every wire you have, organize and strap all those cables away. $2, normally $3.50, so 42% off. Or wait for one when these are free. Although they haven't, that's been a few months since these have been free. Your choice of either black or white. Next, Pittsburgh 6-inch torpedo level with magnetic strip. $2, 20% off or 19% off. $2.49, save 49 cents. Then we have the Warrior 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch number 3 titanium step drill bit. It's the 9 steps. $3, save 49%. Pretty decent discount. Next, the 56 lumen emergency triangle LED work light. $3, 24% off, save essentially $1. And a pretty handy one to have in case of emergency is the tubeless tire repair kit. It's 9 pieces, which is interesting to say, but 9 pieces. You get a razor, the sealant, the carver, the plunger, and it looks like 5 strips of bacon. For $4, 33% off. Next, we have the 10-inch steel tent stakes, 6-pack. For $4, 19% off. And I really like these just because most tent stakes or umbrella stakes that you get tend to be just run-of-the-mill, generic, janky stakes. And at least these look like they have some proper stakeness to them. I tend to lose those generic stakes at least 1 or 2 every time I use them. And these seem like these should be what's included. But anyways, $4, 19% off. Not a bad pickup. Then we have the Merlin pistol grip blowgun for $4, 19% off, save almost $1. And the Pittsburgh mechanic stethoscope for $4, 52% off. Be the car doctor, 52% off, was $8.49, saving $4.49. So really good discount, 52% off. Storehouse hose clamp assortment, your choice, $5, 60% off. Decent to have some of these handies if you're doing a lot of hose work on your cars. There's 20-piece, 40-piece, and mini fuel injection style 40-piece available. Next, we have some Hardy vinyl gloves, 100-pack for $5, save 37%, which is all right. These were 50% off recently, but 37% is not too bad. Storehouse nut and bolt assortment, 240-piece, $5, was $6.99, so 28% off there. Then we have the Pittsburgh 3/8 inch drive hex socket set, 6-piece, your choice of either SAE or metric. $5, was $7.99. It's now, well, it's 37% off. So decent deal at $5. Then we have the Hallmaster assorted lengths elastic stretch cords, 12-piece, 14% off, $6, save almost $1. Then we have the Chicago Electric Premium Welding Gloves for $6. Same thing, 14% off. Save almost $1 there. If we get rid of the penny, you'll save exactly $1. Then we have the Storehouse 20 bin medium portable parts storage case for $7. 29% off. That's a pretty decent deal. $10 is already a decent deal for a storage case like these. I feel like the comparable ones tend to be pretty pricey, but for $7, really good deal. I buy these for small parts as well, but mainly I have 3 or 4 of these for game boards. Putting away game board pieces, essential for quick setup and quick put away. But anyways, to each their own. Dollar Days 9-inch Bauer hook and loop drywall sanding discs 5-pack, $7, 41% off. And we have the Pittsburgh. This was on sale a little bit ago, and I'm glad that it's back. The multi-bit precision screwdriver set, 34-piece for $7, 29% off. So $7 for a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty multi-bit precision screwdriver set, 34-piece. I'll put that right next to the instant savings that we just went over. That Pittsburgh screwdriver set. That's excellent. Excellent. And then last but not least, the Pittsburgh Pro. Pittsburgh Pro Alert. Pittsburgh Pro 1/4-inch drive, color-coded deep socket set, 10-piece. Your choice, of course, of either SAE or metric. $8, 33% off. And those are the Dollar Days. A little bit less than normal, or maybe it's about the same. Decent ones. They brought back some popular ones. Very specific. Hadn't seen the stethoscope here. $4 for a stethoscope seems pretty good. And at the higher end, the multi-bit precision screwdriver set. Of course, also the color-coded Pittsburgh Pro deep socket set for $8 for a Pittsburgh Pro lifetime warranty. That Pittsburgh Pro Alerts is going to become real. Anyways, which one of these Dollar Days will you get? This is going on through July 2nd. Rumor has it that the parking lot sale from the last week is going to be extended this weekend. Not confirmed, but we'll see most likely tomorrow. Be on the lookout for that, which will give you the chance, if you missed out on any of those deals, another shot at them, unless you missed out because things were out of stock. But hopefully things are back in stock. Anyways, what do you think of these Dollar Days? Happy Harbor freighting, happy shopping, and as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.